probability we learn the Bayes theorem. If A1, what is the Bayes theorem? If A1, A2, A3, An be the mutually exclusive events, that means probability of AI is not equal to 0, where I varies from 1 to n, then for any arbitrary event B of the sample space, same sample space of the random experiment with probability of B greater than 0, we have what is the Bayes theorem? Probability of AI by B equal to probability of B by AI, इसका रिवर्स लेना, into probability of AI upon summation I from 1 to n probability of B by AI into probability of AI. Means ऊपर जो numerator में उसका ही summation लेना है. What is the arbitrary? It is based on the random choice. In a Bolt, now example on this Bayes theorem. In a Bolt factory production line, machines A, B, C manufactures 25%, 30%, 35%, 40% respectively of the total goods. If output of the machines are 5%, 4% and 2% are defective, that means and a bolt is drawn at random from the product and found to be defective, what is the probability that it was manufactured by the machine B? Now that means machine A manufactures 5% defective bolts, machine B manufactures 4% defective bolts, machine C manufactures 2% defective bolts. Now while solving this probability example by using Bayes theorem, first of all we have to write the Bayes theorem. What is the Bayes theorem? We wrote here. Now we have to give the name to every event. Let X be the event that bolt is manufactured by the machine A, Y be the event that bolt is manufactured by the machine B, and Z be the event that bolt is manufactured by the machine C. And let D be the capital D be the event that bolt is a defective. Now what is the probability of manufacturing bolt? Probability of X. X is a event that bolt is manufactured by the machine A. So probability of X equal to 25%. 25% means 0.25. Probability of Y, that is equal to 35% means 0.35. Probability of Z, that is equal to 40% means 0.40. From where we wrote this one? From the given available data. Now probability of D by X, that means probability of defective bolt by the machine A, that is equal to 5%, that is equal to 0.05. Now probability of defective bolt from the machine B, that means probability of D by Y, that is equal to 0.04, because it is a 4%, it is given. Therefore not in this example, what we have to find out? Probability that the defective bolt is manufactured by machine B. That means this is the D for the defective bolts. Now probability of Y by D, that means probability that the defective bolt is manufactured by machine B, that we have to find out. Now for this example, Bayes theorem is like this: probability of Y by D equal to इसका reverse probability of D by Y into probability of Y. Now in the denominator there is a summation, so we have to write here probability of D by X into probability of X plus probability of D by Y into probability of Y, probability of D by Z into probability of Z. Now probability of defective bolt from the machine B is 0.04 into 0.35. Now here probability of D by X is 0.05 into probability of X is 25% plus probability of D by Y is 0.04 and 0.35 is the probability of Y. Same way we have to write the probability of D by Z, that is 2%, means 0.02 into 0.40. What is this? Probability of manufacturation of bolt is 0.40. Now if we use the calci and if we do the calculation, then the answer is 0.40. Okay, thank you.